Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com and this is the introductory lesson regarding AutoCAD 2017. First, when you will open the AutoCAD, this kind of screen will be appear in front of you. This is called as welcome screen. Okay, and here are some of the options like get started, recent documents and connect. So let me just discuss about these options. First, if you want to open a new file, you will just click on here, start drawing. It will be open new file. Here is a here you can see as drop down arrow. When you will click on this one, here you can find the templates, and the AutoCAD by default template is .dwt. Okay, so here are some options like open files if you want to open an existing file, and if you want to open a sheet you can click on here, and if you want to search online templates you can search from here, and if you want to open some sample drawings from AutoCAD you can open from here. Let's move to the recent documents. If you are using AutoCAD and if you have recently used some files, you can see them as here and you can directly open them from here. And here is the option for connect, as if you have the Autodesk account or your AutoCAD account, you can just sign in from here, and if you want to give feedback to Autodesk you can just give them as a feedback from here. Okay, this was the option in create. Here is one more option as learn. When I will click here, here are some sample videos, okay, to introduction to AutoCAD. You can just watch these videos as well. Okay, so this was the welcome screen. After that I want to create one file. To create a file I will just click on here, okay, and it will open this screen. So let me explain about this screen. Here this button is called application button. Here are some of the options like new, open, and we will discuss these all options one by one. This is called as application button, and with this is the quick access toolbar. You can access quickly to any of the option like printer, and here you can open any file, and here you can create new template as well as undo, redo, and here are some of the options like properties and so on. Okay, this is called as quick access toolbar. This is called as title bar. As you can see here, AUTODESK, that is the company. Under that AutoCAD 2017, this is the version that we are using, and after that this is drawing.dwg, means this is the name of the file and this is the format, dwg format. Okay, and after that if you want to search anything you can search here. If you have any account you can sign in from here. Okay, and after that these are some tabs like home and insert tabs. Okay, under these tabs there are different types of panels, and in every panel there will be commands. So here you can see under home tab there are different types of panel like draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, layer panel. Okay, and every panel has some commands. Like in draw panel there are some command like lines, polylines, circles, and in modify panel there is a command like move and the rotate. Okay, so every panel has some commands and you can use according to your need. And the next tab is insert tab. As you can see here some of the panels like block definition, reference. As I will move into the home panel, you can see here in draw panel there is a drop down arrow. It's mean something is hidden. I will just click on this one. You can see here are some more command. So whenever you will see this kind of arrow in AutoCAD, it's mean that some of the hidden commands are. Okay, so this is called application button, quick access toolbar. This is called as title bar, and then you can search anything from here, and these are the tabs, and these are panels and commands, and this is the area which is called as ribbon. Okay, this is the area which is called as ribbon. After that this is the area, this is called as drawing area, where you can draw anything, and after that this is called view cube. You can just view anything from different point. Okay, for example this is right now this is top view, and if you want to rotate the things, like if you want to see as this is a front view. Okay, if you want to see as a front view you can see from here. So you can change according to your need. Okay, I can change it as I will click on this one, and if you want to move as on top, so I will just go here. This is called as view controls buttons. I will click on this one and I will go directly into the top. So it is normally used in 3D. When you will just use 3 dimension, you can see the things as front view, top view, bottom view, any view. Okay, so this is view cube and these are called as view controls. Okay, after that this is called as UCS, means user coordinate system. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, and this is the point that is called as origin point. And here at bottom this is called as command line. For example, I want to put here as line command, so I will put here L, so line command will be appear here. Okay, I will just click on this one and now line command is just activate. And here this is the model and the layout. If you want to publish your drawing onto the paper, you can just adjust from here. After that, here you can see this is the drawing coordinates as x, y and z coordinates. Now the next thing here is these are called as toggle button, and you can just on and off on click. For example, this is the button like display drawing grid. These are the grids lines. Okay, if you want to display, you will just on this button, and if you want to just off these grids, you will just click on this one. These grids are disappear. So these are the toggle buttons. And now one more option here is workspace. So I will click on this one, and here you can see some of the options like drafting and annotation. It's mean that when you will in this workspace, all 2D command will be active here. Okay, all 2-dimensional command will be active here. When you will switch on as 3D basics, it's mean that this workspace will be changed into 3D. For example, I will click on this one. Now you can see here in home tab, all of the panel and the commands are going to change. Now it is create, edit, draw. Okay, so these commands are regarding 3D. Okay, and if you want to more advanced in 3D, so you will go into the 3D modeling. So this is for mechanical use, surfacing, etc. Now you can see here modeling, mesh, solid editing. So this is the workspace here, and we will use as drafting and annotation right now. Okay, so this is the user interface of AutoCAD. Hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.